I, Dr. Rekha Singhal, Dean, Faculty of Contemplative and Behavioral Sciences, welcomes you and would like to introduce about the department and its activities. Our department conducts program in psychology and contemplative studies. I know most of you must be familiar with courses in psychology at the national and international level. That's right. But I know many of you might not have seen or might not be clear what is psychology and contemplative studies. And I'm here to tell you about the relationship between psychology and contemplative studies and how and why our department and university is unique in the world and the world leader. Whenever you study psychology, you'll find you study mostly Western psychology. But the Eastern wisdom related to the human behavior is not integrated in the traditional psychology. And at Sri University, at the Department of Faculty and Contemplative Behavioral Sciences, we integrate the psychology, which is primarily Western, and contemplation, which is primarily Eastern, and that is how and why we are best of East and the West. We have 3 levels of courses at our department. Undergraduate course, BSc Honours in Psychology and Contemplative Studies, MSc in Psychology and Contemplative Studies, and PhD program in Psychology and Contemplative Studies. I know many of you must be thinking, oh, it's BSc and MSc, so how can I do it? No, we welcome everyone. The students with the background of humanities and social sciences, students with the commerce background, and the students with the science background. Because we believe in our training process and training method. So, any student with any background, any educational background is welcome at our department. Let me come to few examples. I know you must have met some parent who is bothered because his child is very gifted child. You might have also met some parent whose child is with a special need child. You might have met other parent who's bothered because his child doesn't speak much, very quiet child, and some other worried about the naughty child. The students bothered, not clear what to do, which line of career to adopt. Similarly, in an organization, how to keep motivated middle group employees about to retire. Similarly, after pandemic, I believe the issues related to anxiety, stress, depression doesn't require any explanation. And the strength or mental strength of an individual in dealing with such challenges in the life. Did you realize? Answer to for all these problems, a solution to all these challenges of life lies in psychology and contemplation. That is why we welcome each one of you to come, explore, learn, and become a practicing psychologist along with the contemplation.